Good morning, second grade. We're doing lesson 152 in your math page, and it is page 303 and 304. Now we're going to start by counting by 4, so I'm going to show it to you, and Ben wants to floss today. So I'll hold it because I'm not that great at flossing, but I know you are. So let's go ahead and you'll floss, and Ben's going to show us, so go ahead and count with us, please. 4, 8, 12, floss, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Very good. Let's try it again. This time, dab. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and do our 14 families. So we're going to start.
I can do this without looking.
We're going to do our addition family first. So go ahead, stand up. Let's do our addition family. And today you're going to go ahead and you can do an elephant roar on the answer. Ready? Begin. 0 plus 14 equals 14. 1 plus 13 equals 14. 2 plus 12 equals 14. 3 plus 11 equals 14. 4 plus 10 equals 14. 5 plus 9 equals 14. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 11 plus 3 equals 14. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 13 plus 1 equals 14. 14 plus 0 equals 14. Now this will be the last day that we are going to have our 14 family. We'll get into our 15 family again, just as a good reminder. We're going to do the 15 subtraction family. Okay? So this time we'll punch forward on the answer. We'll do 2 punches, okay? Say it with you, please. 14 minus 0 equals 14. Do 2 punches. 14 minus 1 equals 13. 14 minus 2 equals 12. 14 minus 3 equals 11. 14 minus 4 equals 10. 14 minus 5 equals 9. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 14 minus 10 equals 4. 14 minus 11 equals 3. 14 minus 12 equals 2. 14 minus 13 equals 1. 14 minus 14 equals 0. Now I'm going to put this on the board for those of you that might not know it. However, if you do know it, go ahead and turn around. Don't look at the chart. And Ben and I are going to go ahead and go through the chart without looking. Stand to the side just in case they might need it. And we're going to punch forward. Ready? Begin. 14 minus 0 equals 14. 14 minus 1 equals 13. 14 minus 2 equals 12. 14 minus 3 equals 11. 14 minus 4 equals 10. 14 minus 5 equals 9. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 14 minus 10 equals 4. 14 minus 11 equals 3. Stand to the side. 14 minus 2 or 12 equals 2. 14 minus 13 equals 1. 14 minus 14 equals 0. How did you do? Did you do it? Could you go through the whole thing? Good job. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at our facts, and you're going to try to answer them before Ben does. So I'll get just a little bit closer so you can see. Oh, Ben, he says he's bad, but he knows them really. So Ben, go ahead and look at the cards here. Ready, begin. 1 year equals about?
12 weeks. 366
52 weeks. 52 weeks. Normal body temperature equals?
32 Fahrenheit.
212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, that's the cold.
1 year equals? 365 days. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 pound equals
16 ounces.
Good. 1 gallon
4
equals
quarts.
4 quarts. 1 pint equals
2 cups.
2 cups. All right, let's get into some more. Oh, let me just see here. Here we go. 1 day equals
24 hours.
24 hours. Good. 1 hour equals
60 minutes.
1 minute equals
16.
1 week equals
12 days.
7 days. Say it again. 1 week equals 7 days. Freezing point of water equals
32.
32 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 yard
3
equals
feet.
3 feet. 1 foot equals
12 inches.
12 inches. 1 yard equals
36 inches.
36 inches. 1 leap year equals 366 days. Good job. You went through that list. Now, let's go ahead and look at some math facts. We're going to look at some math facts. You try to answer before Ben does.
15.
So just stand here to decide. Here we go. Ready? Go.
11.
8 plus 8.
16.
4 plus 8.
13. 12.
12. 9 plus 6. 9 plus
15.
15. 6 plus 4.
11.
No, 6 plus 4. Oh, 5 plus 6. I'm sorry. 6 plus 4.
10.
10. Good. This was 11. Good job, Ben. 8 plus 4.
12.
6 plus 3.
9.
5 plus 7.
13.
No. 12.
What?
9 plus 8.
Um,
9 plus 8 equals
wait, what's 9 plus 7?
17. 10 plus 2.
17.
10 plus 2.
11.
12.
Oh!
9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 equals
Something.
16.
Oh,
3
what?
plus 9 equals
12.
6 plus 5.
11.
3 plus 9.
12.
8 plus 8.
16.
4 plus 2.
6.
5 plus 4.
9.
Good. Let's do some subtraction facts.
No!
I know subtraction's harder, but we're going to do it because you need to get the practice in. All right, here we go. Ben, come on.
Why?
All right, here we go. Ready? Are you ready? 4 minus 3 equals 1. 8 minus 5
I don't
equals
know.
8 minus 5. Answer before Ben does. I have something in my eye. 8. Take
3.
3. 11 minus 4 equals
7.
7. Try not to do that.
Okay.
11 minus 7 equals, that's a twin. We just did it.
10.
All right, so if 11 minus 4 is 7, 11 minus 7 is
4.
4. The twin. Good. All right, here's the next one. 14 minus 0 equals
14.
14. 4 minus 0.
4.
Good. 11 minus 8 equals
5.
9, 10, 11.
4.
3.
No.
13 minus 9 equals, did you say
5.
4? Remember, you can just count at the number after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. That was 4 numbers. 10 minus 5.
5.
12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 equals.
5.
Remember,
Wait, what?
start the
9,
next
10, 11, 12.
How many is that?
4.
4. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 equals. This is what we just did. 14 minus 9 equals.
4 plus 9 is
5. You should have said 5.
5.
5. Here we go. Last
Did I say
one.
it?
13 minus 4 equals.
10.
Nope. Should have said
11.
9. And you can count back 4 numbers. 12, 11, 10, 9. Good job. All right. Now today, come on over, Ben. We're going to talk about rounding. But this time it's a little bit different. So Ben, come have a seat here. So we're going to talk about rounding with money. Now, it's the same process. So Ben's going to listen and see if he can tell us at the end how we do it. Now remember, when we round down in the ones place, we're looking at the numbers 0 through
1.
0 through
4.
4, round
5 through 9.
down, round down. 5 through 9,
Round up.
round up. Now for change, it's the same thing, except for, here's our rule. So look here, Ben's going to read it with us. 0 cents through 49 cents, we round down. So 0 cents through 49 cents, we round down for our change. 50 cents to 99 cents, we round up. Just like 5 through 9, round up. 0 to 4, round down. All right, so the first thing that we do, just like when we round by in the tens place, we look at our number. So here's our dollar amount. We have $4.15. So let me scooch a little closer just to make sure you can see it. Okay, so you have $4. Hopefully that will, okay. So you have $4.15. So the first thing Ben is going to do is he's going to see where you would find $4. So I have dollars here, 1 all the way to 10. Ben, where would $4 fit in? $4.15. Take your card, Ben, and see where would you find $4.
$4.
All right, good job. So he's going to take the $4, and we know that $4.15 is between $4 and
$50.
and what's this number? This is
$5.
$5. So this is true. So now we have to decide. So this is where it's a little bit different than the rounding. We look at our change, and our change would be 15 cents. So we look at our change. We want to get it so that there are zeros in the change department.
Oh, is it 5?
All right, so now we look here, 15. Where would I find 15 cents? Can I find 15 cents when I'm counting from 0 to 49?
No.
Well, let's look at
Yes,
look
you
at my
can.
number chart
You
here.
can.
Yes, Ben is right. So we have 0 all the way to 49. Ben, come find 15 cents for me. Or 15. All right, so it is in here between 0 to 49, which means, according to my rule, that I have to round down $1. So I can't choose $5. What's my smaller dollar? $4. So on your paper today, you should have chosen $4, and you are to
But this is
circle it. So you are to circle on your paper. You write $4 and $5, but you circle $4 because that's the correct amount. Don't just put $4 and $5 and don't choose. We have to choose because it's only 15 cents away. It's a really long ways away from $5. All right, Ben, go ahead and put those back. Let me give you your next number. So your next number that you would have, they gave us $7.48. So while I put up $7.48, Ben is going to go ahead and find what dollars $7.48 would be between, Ben. So what do we know for sure? Where would I find $7.48 between what $2? Go ahead and write that down. All right, so he is correct. Good job, Ben. So it is between $7 and $8. All right, I would say. Now, again, what's our next step? Ben, do you remember what we have to do next?
underline 48.
Okay, so underline 48. Good job, Ben. He's listening today. He's on target. Okay, now, again, I go to my chart here and I decide. I think, where would I find 48 cents? Is it in 0 to 49 cents or 50 to 99? All right, Ben, come up and find 48 cents on our number chart here. Find 48 cents. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? 5, 4, 3. He got it. Good job. Super close to 49 cents, which means that we round down. So what would I circle, Ben? Go ahead and circle. We'll use yellow chalk. Circle the correct amount. Is it $7 or $8? Good job. Ben is correct. It was $7. Excellent, Ben. All right, now here is our next number. Our next number will be $8.88. $8.88. Now Ben's going to go ahead and find which ones it would be between. What $2 bills would $8.88 be between? Where would I find it? $8.88. So he's going to say $8.88 would be between. Let's see what he chooses. Good, and we'll just switch it around. All right, so $8 is correct and $9. Okay, so now he's chosen what is between. Now he's going to underline our
88.
change, 88 cents. Good. Now we're going to decide 88 cents. Let's go ahead and look. Where can I find 88 cents on is it from 0 to 49? Or is it from 50 to 99? Where's 88 cents? Oh, good job. You found it all the way down here, which means, would I choose this one?
No, I know the ding, ding, ding.
All right.
Which one are we going to use?
Oh, let's use red. So we'll use red. So, yes, good job. Ben got it today. All right, so 88 cents is here, rounding up. So we had to choose $9. Put it in there. Go ahead and put it in here. All right, so you should have written out $8 and $9, but you should have chosen $9 because $8.88 is really close to $9. All right, Ben, thank you. Good job for today. High five. Let's go. All right, I'll head high five him since he didn't high five. Thank you, Ben. You may go ahead. All right, now, good job if you understood how to do that. If you didn't, don't worry. It's okay. We'll go over it again another time. Now, the last thing that I want to go over with you before we do a couple of our things is I want to look at your change. So you have on your paper there, you have quarters that they ask for you. Remember, when we do quarters, we count 25, 50, 75. And remember, the correct way to write 75 cents is 0.75. Then they asked for 4 of these. This is, what do we call this? This is called a dime. Okay, so dimes. And they asked for 4 of them. We know with dimes, we count by tens. Good job. 10, 20, 30, 40. So you'd write 0.40. And then they asked for 7 of these. Okay. There's 7, and we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 should have been your answer. 35. So then you add up 75 plus 40 plus 35. Make sure they all line up in the ones place and the tens place. Now the last one that they talk about, and I'm not sure if I even have my coin for that. They talk about $50, and for some reason, I don't see my $50. But for your $50, remember, they ask for 3 of them. You're counting by 50s. 50, $1, and then continue the counting pattern, $1.50. So you would write 1.50, then add your other cents. Now when you get down to pennies, 8 pennies, the correct way to write 8 pennies should be, and you should have put 09. Good job. Now, on the back side here, you'll see 1A. Write these combinations in on page 304. 18 minus 9, 6 times 5. C is 11 minus 8. D, 9 plus 6. E, 3 parts, 7 plus 3 minus 5. F, 3 parts, 12 minus 4 plus 3. And then we already did section 3 for you. So you should be able to do that. And then number 5, down bottom, divided by 5, you want it to look like this. Let me see if I can just go ahead and do this real quick. They want you to write, oh, I'm not gonna have it. So they want you to do divided by 5. So you will just put, they have 25. You can do it a couple different ways. They have 25 here. You can put your division sign like this and just put 5 there. And in the you count by 5s until you get to 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In your lantern, okay, we'll pretend this is the lantern, put your 5. Same thing for here. You have 40, put the division sign by 5, count by 5s until you get to 40. Okay, so that's how you do that section. I hope this has been helpful for you, and have a great day.